Chapter 6.
Ethical Hacking.
Computer is one of the greatest inventions of our time. The advancements of technology makes it possible for unethical and criminal activities to be carried out in a more sophisticated way. Most people think hackers have extraordinary skill and knowledge that allow them to hack into computer systems and find valuable information. In reality, a good hacker or security professional acting as an ethical hacker just has to understand how a computer system works and know what tools to employ in order to find a security weakness.
Ethical hacking. Ethical hacking is the process of hacking the information that is considered to be confidential. Ethical hacking process is also known as the intrusion testing, penetration testing, or red teaming. The ethical hacker is the person who is found to be a computer expert, and at the same time he is also responsible for the working of the networking systems as well. He is the person who works on behalf of the members of the organization. Ethical hackers protect computers against illegal entry. Ethical hackers use the same software tools and techniques as malicious hackers use to find the security weakness in computer networks and systems. Then, ethical hacker apply the necessary changes, fix or patch to prevent the malicious hacker from gaining access to the data. This is a never-ending cycle as new weaknesses are constantly being discovered in computer systems and patches are created by the software vendors to lessen the risk of attack. Hacker. A hacker is someone who likes to tinker with software or electronic systems. Hackers enjoy exploring and learning how computer systems operate. The hacker who maliciously breaks into systems for personal gain is technically known as crackers. Hackers can be divided into three groups: black hats, bad guys, malicious hackers, normally known as crackers; white hats, good guys, ethical hackers; grey hats, good or bad hackers, depends on the situation. Different ethical hackers. Hackers access computers and networks without authorization. Hackers often pose a serious security threat. Hacktivists. Virtual warrior, black spar hacker, white spar hacker, certified ethical hacker, or licensed diffusion testers. Ethical hacking rules. You have permission to probe the network and attempt to identify potential security risks. It's recommended that if you are the person performing the tests, then you should get written consent. You should respect the individual's or company's privacy and only go looking for security issues. You must report all security vulnerabilities that you detect to the company, not leaving anything open for you or something else to come in at a later time. You must let the software developer or hardware manufacturer know of any security vulnerabilities that you locate in their software or hardware if not already known by the company. Steps to prevent your system from hacking. Don't respond to any unknown emails. Use antivirus software, firewall, update your system, encrypt files, always make backup, change password regularly. To catch a thief, think like a thief. Turn off your computer. Turn off your computer and disconnect the internet when not in use. The hacker cannot disrupt the system of your computer while your computer is off.